white sand beach. We just stumbled across here. All right, we got the truck loaded. We're ready to head out to Rupert. We got a week off. We're on a mission to explore the white sand beaches on the north coast. Yeah, woo woo!
Woo! It's gonna be a hammer fest, boys.
Killer whales are hunting right there. It is absolutely amazing. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Oh my god. What an evening. Stoked killer whales, can't believe it. Sunshine, beautiful morning. We're on our way now. Where are we going, Lazo?
Yeah, we're gonna head out. It was a little bit of southeast coming, but we might catch a bit of that out to the outside of Stevens and Portshire there, and cruise up the coast. Looking forward to the day.
Lunchtime spot. We're just about to cross Eddy Pass over to Arthur and Stevens Islands. Then we'll start cruising up the west side of Stevens after that. Okay, here we are, Camp 2. Where are we? We are at the top end of Arthur Island. Top end, as I mean, would be north end of our Arthur Island. We were just coming up the passage and we saw another kayak. It turned out to be Jeremy and his partner. Forgetting her name right now, my bad. And right where we met them, we found a nice beach. Super windy out of the west right now, so we can't really go any farther. You can see whitecaps behind me there. But we found a nice spot. We're out of the wind, and this is going to be perfect for camp number 2. Chopping up some potatoes for dinner here. We got moose steaks, potatoes, corn. Holy, we had a pretty stormy night last night. Super strong winds. Luckily they were at behind us and we had pretty good shelter. A little bit of rain. You can see back there the tarp. We had to drop it down to the ground and hunker down for the night, but we survived the night. Second morning here, got some pretty strong westerly winds. We're hoping to go around the west side of Stevens here, so these winds are forecast to die off here this evening, but hopefully they happen die off a little sooner and we can keep going north.
What our intuition says and how much, you know, we eat, how we feel.
Definitely looking pretty rough out there right now. All right, boys, another day, another adventure. We were on the water for about 3 hours or something like that. Feeling stiff and sore. We are really close to our camp spot, probably another hour. Halfway up, we found this neat little spot here. Gonna have some lunch, a stretch, some water. Such a nice little break spot we found here. Not only does it have like the flattest and nicest perfect beach to just leave your boat, and we timed it perfect on low tide, or like, sorry, not low, but like full on slack tide. It's got fresh water creek right here too. Look at that. Look at that, another spot. Good as it gets. Went for a short little walk to the beach. See how hard it is for things to survive out here on the west coast of BC. Trees are all gnarled, lots of dead trees. Must be a really windy spot here. Look at this beach. 10 out of 10. White sand beach, absolutely beautiful. Right on the west side of Stevens. Super amazing spot. So happy to be here.
Absolute paradise.
Woo!
Holy.
Okay, well, I got me a little fish. I think that's pretty much maybe too small. I think it's too small. I'm gonna throw it back. See if we get a bigger one. What you got for din-dins, Laszlo?
We're having some chipped away pork and from the sausage factory. Broccoli, onions, rice.
Sounds delicious.
Okay, a little spice.
Wow. This little cooking fire we got going on there.
Yeah, Bertie got this nice grill going.
Good old Birchie.